Sabihin mo, welcome to Sapporo.
Welcome to Sapporo. Bawal maingay.
So, officially first day namin dito sa Sapporo. Nandito na kami sa hotel. So, nakagayak na kami and paalis na. Pero yeah, today punta kaming Biba Snowland. So, ano siya? Parang mga snow activities.
So, kagabi kami dumating just for just for your appreciation, charot. Hindi kami nag-direct na ginamit Cebu Pacific. Nag-ANA kami. So, ang ruta namin kagabi was, di kahapon pala, is Manila, Narita, New Titos eh. So, yun. Medyo mahaba yung biyahe. May 3 hours, may 3 hours layover kami. So, 2 hours ata mahigit papunta dito from Narita. So, parang naging total almost 10 hours. 10 hours yung biyahe namin. Full day biyahe. Gabi na kami dumating dito. Mga 9? Mga 9-ish na. So, hindi namin nag-video kagabi kasi sobrang ginaw. Hindi kami ganun prepared kasi coming from Manila, kung ano yung suot namin, medyo balot naman kami, pero hindi lang kami prepared sa ganitong lamig. First time namin maka-experience ng may snow talaga, nagso-snow. So, hindi namin in-expect yung ano.
Pero to be clear, meron naman kaming dalang mga winter jacket. Pero yun nga, kanina, kahapon, syempre pag from airport, hindi ka pa naman magpa-puffer jacket. So, tiniis na lang muna namin.
Hindi naman kasi...
Hindi na kami naglabas from the maleta.
Hindi naman kasi malamig pagdating ng Narita Airport kasi nasa loob kami ng airport, so may heating. So, hindi ganun kalamig. Syempre, the only time na lumabas kami ng airport was dito na sa Chitos eh.
Papunta na ng
papunta na ng hotel. Na actual super duper lamig. Ako naka-puffer vest, tsaka naka-hoodie, tsaka pants na makapal. Pero sobrang tagos kasi negative to kagabi yung ano. So, ano naman yun? Lesson learned naman sa amin. Kasi parang first time namin mag-snow. Hindi naman ding madaling maghalongkat ng maleta.
Parang konting tiis lang din naman.
Oo, parang ano lang.
Kaya naman. Pero medyo naman need na yung kamay.
9 minute walk. 9 minute walk lang naman from the MRT, the train station to the hotel. So, buti na lang din. Malapit lang yung
pero ngayon,
hotel.
Prepared na kami. So, daming layers na yan. Tapos may jacket pa.
Naka-heattech, tapos jacket, tapos may 3rd layer. Magti-3 layers kami kasi mag-snow activity. So, expected na medyo mababasa din yung mga damit namin.
We're staying pala dito sa Cross Hotel, Sapporo. So, ano siya? Yun nga, 9 to 10 minute walk to the Sapporo Station. Malapit din siya dun sa Odori Park.
Oo.
Doon mga 5-minute walk lang.
Wala. Oo. Mga 5-minute walk lang. So, malapit to sa lahat, karamihan ng ano. So, sa TV Tower, malapit lang din siya. Malapit lang din siya dun sa Clock Tower. Ayun. Clock Tower, TV Tower, Odori Park. So, may mga may mga malapit na dito na pwede na walking distance lang. So, yun. Okay, we're heading out kasi magbibi-by Snowland kami. See you later.
Bye.
I'm bored to death on the job. I'm sick of walking the stars like I live in a fog. Tonight I want something new. I feel
Ano ba yung usok? Nandito pa lang kami palabas.
Musok.
So, kailangan ng mag-jacket.
Bando up.
Ready na?
let's go, let's go, let's go all the way. I want you tonight, 'cause I wanna get my dirty freak on, alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go all the way. I want you tonight, 'cause I wanna get my dirty freak on, alright. My dirty freak on. A funny taste in my mouth. I wake up dead on the couch with the sun in my eyes. And so I go lay down on the floor, 'cause I can't take it no more. Seems like I've been here before.
Nasa JR station kami. Naghihintay ng train papuntang Bibay Station. Ang train na maabutan namin is yung 10 o'clock train na 9:44 pa lang. May 20 minutes pa kaming hintayin. 2 stops lang siya. 2,970 yung sabi sa Google na na fare.
Freak on, alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go all the way. I want you tonight, 'cause I wanna get my dirty freak on, alright. Get my dirty freak on tonight. 'Cause we can do this every night and every day until our heads fall to the ground. Yes, we can do this every night and every day, 'cause we'll be dancing in the dark until our bodies fall apart. Let's go, let's go, let's go all the way. I want you tonight, 'cause I wanna get my dirty freak on, alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go all the way. I want you tonight, 'cause I wanna get my dirty freak on, alright.
Mag-snow rafting kami. Yan na.
Get my dirty freak
Tapos na kami mag-snowmobile. Saya niya. Mahirap lang kunan kasi siyempre baka malaglag yung
Baka nga
kami.
pwede Masaya ka. Parang mas masaya kung nag 5km. Nag 5k tayo. Kasi ano siya, it's an experience na maganda. Ang ganda ng lugar. Nakita mo? Yung mountain side, yung snow. Nadapa ako sa snow. Natawa ako sa sarili ko, nadapa ako sa snow. Pero it's fine. That's part of life.
Sa lunchtime. Yung binok namin na Klook tour, may kasama siyang food na, lunch.
Gagawa kami ng Klook affiliate code. Sana support nyo.
What facts belong, it's hard to say. The pattern is so hard to tell. But we're together, that's our game. Round and round and round we go. The dance ain't over, I'm sure we're still the same. Love the ways you make us whole. Would you say if things ain't right? Look away, look away. What's really going on?
Kakatapos lang namin mag-buggy at saka yung rafting.
4-wheel.
Hindi, 4-wheel buggy at saka tong snow raft. Wala mo man ang masyadong umagawa. Tapos sobrang nagsasnow ngayon.
Snow na.
So, ang na lang kami. Yung slide. Ano tawag?
Snow tube.
Snow tube. Tapos, siguro, pupwesto na kami dun sa, kasi sobrang lamig. Mahangin, tas may snow. So, yun. See you later.
Us up again, put things right, let me go.
Hindi niya ako matulak.
Parang nakakatakot.
Hindi. Ang kanya eh.
What's really going on?
What would you say if things ain't right? Would you tell me, can't you say it? Please just talk to me if things ain't fine. Look away and just look away. What would you say if things ain't right? Would you tell me, can't you say it? Please just talk to me if things ain't fine. Look away and just look